Hey guys, on this episode I want to talk to you about workouts and making them fun. So nowhere in the book of workouts did it ever say it had to be boring, and I want to just give you a perfect example. I'm out here in the woods, as you can see here, and there's a part of the trail here I just absolutely love. It's so much fun, and so I want to share this with you, and I want to encourage you to find aspects of your workouts, maybe not your whole workout, but aspects of them that are so fun. And so when you need motivation to go out and work out, you can think of that moment that just brings you so much joy that it doesn't become a chore, but you look forward to it. And sure, there's some grueling in between if you're running on the flats or whatever, but you get to a spot like this where it's just, this basically feels like a roller coaster to me. So let's go take a look. So I got this stabilized, so here we go. Let's go. So it's a little wet, so I have to watch out. Ooh, little slippery, little slippery. Here we go. Oh, I'm slipping. Okay, muddy. Not used to it being quite this wet, but it rained a ton yesterday. And the roller coaster continues. So, oh, that's so much fun. I love running through there. Oh, it's good. A little slippery. There's another spot right ahead of me. I don't know if I can do this at that speed with it wet because there's rocks. When it's dry though, it's so much fun. Okay, so that does it for this part. There's a cool little stream right here that I'll show you. Really the key to anything in life, if you want something bad enough, you got to be hungry and relentless, but you can also be smart about it and really use those advantages to yourself. So finding joy in something that's painful will just make it a joy instead of, you know, an absolute burden. So just stuff like that. Like there's a long flat part there which isn't exciting, but going down that is so much fun. I don't even care about the flats. I just kind of go into a meditative state before doing that. So I encourage you guys to do the same. Find the joys in life, because really, what's the point of living without the joy? And just remember, if you're doing anything hard in life, it's for a reason. You have a stronger goal, a stronger purpose in life. You just really need to cultivate that absolute obsession, the burning desire to achieve what you want in life. So hopefully you guys got something out of this. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave a comment down below. And until next one, have a good one.